Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you guys how to turn on dark mode on Instagram. So if you want to turn on dark mode on Instagram, I'll show you guys exactly how to do it in this video today. So there used to be an option on Instagram to just turn on dark mode, but recently they took that away. So as you can see, if you go over to the Instagram app, there won't be any option to find the dark mode. Even if you go to settings and just look around everywhere, you won't find any option to change the dark mode. So what you actually have to do, instead of going to Instagram app, you're going to have to do it on your iPhone, because recently they've been implementing a new device or software that turns it to dark mode when your phone is already on dark mode. So to change Instagram to dark mode, you have to change your phone to dark mode. So if your phone is on light mode, then it will be light mode, but if you turn it to dark mode, it will be on dark mode. So to change it to dark mode, you want to go to your settings, and once you go to your settings, you're going to want to look for the option that says display and brightness, and if you can't find it, you can use the search bar at the top and just search for display and brightness. It should be the first option to come up, and once you find it, click on it. You'll be brought to this page here. As you can see, there's two options at the very top that says dark and light. So all you have to do is change it to dark, and then your Instagram should automatically switch to dark mode. As you can see here, my Instagram is now dark mode. If it didn't work the first time, then you might just have to reset Instagram and then go back into it, and it should be on dark mode now. So that is how you change Instagram to dark mode. I don't know why they took out the option, but you can still turn on dark mode on Instagram. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.